Hi students, in our last period we have discussed about electrophilic substitution reaction of phenols. In that we reacted phenol with bromine water and then we are getting 2,4,6 tribromophenol. If we react this phenol with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide, we get mixture of orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. In that this parabromophenol is major product. In nitration reaction, phenol on reacting with dilute nitric acid gives mixture of orthonitro and paranitrophenol. And when phenol is treated with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, then it undergoes trinitration to give 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also known as picric acid. When phenol is heated with or treated with concentrated H2SO4 at low temperature, then it gives orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Means at low temperature ortho substitution occur, and at high temperature phenol gives parahydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. This is parahydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. All these bromination, then nitration and sulfonation reactions we discussed in our last videos. Remaining two electrophilic substitutions are the named reaction. One is Kolbe's reaction. In this reaction, phenol is treated with NaOH and CO2. CO2 is weak electrophile, therefore phenol is converted into phenoxide. That is, phenoxide is a more powerful substrate for electrophilic attack, and on formation of sodium phenoxide, CO2 attack the benzene ring of phenol. At low temperature the attack is at ortho position. The formed compound is salicylaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. If the same reaction is carried out at high temperature, then substitution occur at para position. Here one correction is there. Instead of benzaldehyde we get here benzoic acid. The compound is known as salicylic acid. Means at low temperature we get orthohydroxybenzoic acid, that is salicylic acid, and at high temperature we get parahydroxybenzoic acid. Means temperature decide the product. Kolbe's reaction is used to obtain salicylic acid. So in Kolbe's synthesis temperature should be low, but if temperature increases, then instead of getting salicylic acid or orthohydroxybenzoic acid, we get parahydroxybenzoic acid. This is limitation of this method. Means in Kolbe's synthesis temperature must be low to get the salicylic acid. Another reaction is Rimmer-Timmer reaction. In Rimmer-Timmer reaction, phenol is heated with NaOH, chloroform. Here NaOH is used to convert phenol into sodium phenoxide, which is better for electrophilic attack because chloroform is weaker electrophile. This chloroform attacks at ortho position and